Well, do you believe you could lose up to 40 pounds in 40 days? Well, the founder and creator of the VitaLife weight loss program says you can. Welcome back, Davis Jaspers.
Hello.
Hi, Davis.
I always like to remind people you're living proof. You lost how much weight?
I lost 30 pounds in 40 days and a total of 55 pounds.
Wow, 55 pounds.
55
now,
pounds.
explain how the program works.
Yeah, so bottom line is you come and you get a bioscan because it's not guesswork. So we want to know exactly what your body needs so we can give you exactly what you need for nutrition to support the body. So that's the start. And I know we're following an average Joe.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are. And this average Joe who's willing to let us follow his weight loss journey. And while he does the 40-day plan, let's meet Joe Gambino.
This sauce will cook all day. Hi, I'm Joe Gambino, and I'm the owner of Zeppi's Italian Market and Sugo Mio Pizza and Pasta in Naperville. Good morning, Zeppi's Italian Market. We are a small little Italian market. We make our own homemade sauces, grab-and-go meals, take-and-bakes, just like my nonna used to make. The pizza place, Sugo Mio, kind of brought Chicago tavern-style pizza here to Naperville. My weight loss journey really did not start until my 30s. I kept yo-yoing. I would go up and go down, lose 40 pounds, and I gained back 50. Or I lost 30 and I gained back 35. My issue on my weight gain is very stress-related. Late night, just not able to sleep, and just decide to eat the wrong stuff at the wrong time. I do have a pizza in the oven. It should be done in about 2 minutes. A local newspaper did an article about our businesses. When I flipped open to look at our article, I noticed a advertisement from Davis from VitaLife. And the one thing that caught my eyes is that it said no drugs and no surgery. I made that phone call, told my wife, let's go check it out and see what they're about. If they could give us the support I need, that this is what I'm looking for. The main reason is to lose weight, but went to the doctor for a physical not too long ago. Cholesterol is high, borderline diabetic. I have kids, I have a wife at home, a lot of people that depend on me, and I want to be around for them. Come into VitaLife and get some true support, and this is day one of my journey. 40 days, hopefully it'll be at least 40 pounds lighter.
All right, so we're going to be checking in and watching Joe go through his journey and have him here after the 40 days.
Well, at the beginning of this month, we introduced you to Joe Gambino. He owns Zeppi's Italian Market in Naperville, and Joe has been sending us videos of his weight loss journey. Let's take a look.
Hello, it is day 4 on the program. I'm at the VitaLife office for my weekly check-in. I just got scanned and my visceral fat went down, so that's fantastic. I'm going in the right direction. I have already lost 13 pounds. I am on day 8 of my weight loss journey with VitaLife, and I am down 16 pounds. And I have been making some great meals. And really have figured out some great ways of cooking without the extra sugars and the extra fats. So we at Zeppi's came up with a no added sugar sauce that we're going to sell here, but I actually use this for a lot of my meals. I am halfway there. I'm on day 20. I've lost 29 pounds already, and I'm super excited for the last half of this. I'm shooting to try to lose 50 pounds.
You can see it.
Yeah, please welcome back creator and founder of the VitaLife weight loss and wellness program, Davis Jaspers.
Right.
Davis, he's doing great. He said 29 pounds in the video, but since then he's lost even more.
Yeah, so I'm keeping good track of Joe, you know, and I text him every day, and as of this morning, he's down 33 pounds, day 25.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And is that average?
So he's going to be a little bit better than normal. But one of the cool things that we're actually seeing metabolically with him is his water is going up. So typically when you diet, you know, the first 8 pounds you lose is water. We've actually been able to see his water weight increase by about 4 pounds. So.
Wow, so now is this through the base scan? Because you explained kind of you do the
Yes.
body scan, and then do you continue to do these scans?
Yeah, so you scan every week and we do a body composition every week, and that lets us know what's changing in your metabolism, in your body, what kind of weight you're losing, so that way if we need to adjust your program, we do.
Yeah, we were talking about, that's torture too. He works in an Italian place, it's Italian food. Your last name's Gambino. You know you love the pasta like me.
Right. You know that's your cousin.
Okay. This is the most Italian show we've had, I think, in 9 seasons. Mancini, Shiverini, Gambino. Has it been tough for him as far as like breaking the habit, as far as looking at the foods? Because that's a big thing for a lot of people.
It's a big thing, but the thing is, you can still eat amazing food because you're going to a grocery store, you're buying healthy foods. These aren't like prepackaged meals or anything. So, you know, Joe finds it a challenge to make healthy foods that abide by the rules of the program, and they taste amazing.
I want to try that sauce, that sugar-free sauce.
It's amazing sauce. He gives it to me for free, so.
Look at you.
Oh, you know a guy. You know a guy.
Well, last month we met an average Joe Gambino. He started his weight loss journey by doing the 40-day VitaLife weight loss system. He checked in at his halfway point, and he's back today so we can find out exactly how much he has lost now. Before we bring Joe out, though, let's talk to the creator and founder of the VitaLife weight loss program, Jaspers. Hi, Davis.
Hey, Davis. Hello.
Before we bring out Joe, because we cannot wait to see what Joe has done in the 40 days, let's talk a little bit more about the program because it's based on intermittent fasting, food, and the supplements. Why are those 3 components so important to the success of the program?
Yeah, so the biggest thing that we need to do to help people lose weight is get them to have lower insulin. And there's a lot of theories out there, but the one thing we know is low insulin causes weight loss. So the question that we have to answer with all of our clients is, how can we lower their insulin? So the customization that we do for everybody is important, but one of the things that we know is that the fasting, eating real food, so we're not sending prepackaged meals, you know, they're going to their own grocery store, cooking healthy foods. We know that healthy foods, intermittent fasting, and sticking to the program actually dramatically lowers insulin. So that's what we try to accomplish with everybody.
Well, and that's what Joe did. We can't wait to see him. Audience, are you ready to see Joe? All right. First, here's Joe before. Okay. All right, take a look at Joe. Now, Joe, come on out. All right, there we go. We're looking at the split screen here. 55 pounds in 40 days. Come on over here, Joe. Congratulations. And you're Italian, too, so that should be like 90 pounds.
Hi, Joe. More. Good to see you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel fantastic. It's totally different than when I felt before doing the program. So before the program, tired all the time, needing to take a nap, even though I didn't have time to do that. Now, tons of energy.
Tons of energy. What was... Go ahead.
Well, one of the most interesting things with Joe's story is why he decided to do the program.
It was really about my health. You know, I mean, my dad had a heart attack a few years ago, was in the doctor's office, and he turned to both my brother and myself and said, you guys have heart issues now, you got to really watch diet. Really didn't do much about it, just kind of stress eating, and all of a sudden I just said, I need to do something. Went in for physical, fatty liver, high cholesterol. Every time it would go up 5, then next time another 5, and so I had to do something, and then I got 3 kids. I got a wife at home that has some chronic nerve pain. I need to be around for the family.
What do your numbers look like now?
Fantastic. My cholesterol was 230. It's 155.
Wow.
Fatty liver, it's normal now. And they were talking about putting me on medication for the fatty liver, and I did the program, and it's actually normal now. And then I was borderline diabetic, and they said my sugar is perfect.
Joe, what was the program like for you?
It was really, yeah, no, actually, it was, so in the beginning, I went into the office, I had a lot of questions, wanted to make sure that I understood, and I still went home not knowing all, so I read the pamphlet that Davis, read it a couple times, and really got an understanding of what I could and could not do, and once I figured that out and talking to the coaches, it was actually a breeze, because you had to go and plan what you were going to eat, but it really was very simple.
Wow, 55 pounds in 40 days, and you're around food all the time, and not exactly low-carb food. So is there anything that you miss eating and it was tough when you were around this?
No, I'm very creative when it comes in the kitchen, all the way from our pizza to our pasta dishes. But I asked Davis, I asked my coaches, what could I use, what can I use, what seasonings, and the food that I ate did not taste like cardboard diet food that you're used to, or just steamed chicken with steamed vegetable, and that's what most people kind of think a diet is. The food I had was fantastic, delicious, and at our 2 restaurants, Zeppy's and Sugo, we use whole foods, and I just used those same ingredients, but just made sure that it was in the program.
Right. Davis, let me ask you this. Men typically lose more weight than women, right? But with your program, that's not necessarily the case.
Well, in most instances it is. What's funny is, for guys, we have to have, be threatened with a heart attack to lose weight. Ladies, look better in a bikini, okay, sign me up, right?
Yeah.
So there's that balance there, but typically because of the hormone structure, men do lose a little bit more. But our record holder, everyone, is a lady, and she lost 62 pounds in 40 days.
Well, you're definitely one of the biggest success stories that we've seen. How much further do you want to go?
I would like to, I was just talking to Davis, I'd like to hit 200 pounds.
Lose 200 pounds.
I want to lose 123, I want to be 200 pounds.
Got it.
Wow, we'd be about the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.